Dr. Layton hooked us up 5 years ago, so the second I knew I was coming back, he was the very first guy I hit up.
The boys said they wanted chaos, and I told them not to go to the Temple Bar, but I fucking had to do it. Okay, look where I am. I'm in sunny, this time, Las Vegas, Nevada, United States of America. So we're here for an e-commerce conference. So we have loads of events planned out. We have pool parties, we have dinners, we have workshops. Meeting some of our partners, meeting some of our clients, meeting other agencies that we like hanging out with. Yeah, it's going to be a really fun 2 days. But what I want to talk to you before I get into that is last weekend. Last weekend was Paddy's Day. So the Tuesday before Paddy's Day, I got a text at like 5 o'clock in the morning from Kyle from the NELK boys. So I met the boys back in like 2019 when I was a party promoter in Dublin. We had a great weekend. And Tuesday I got a message to say, Leighton, we're coming to Dublin for Paddy's Day. So like although I was up to my eyes at work, I had to like plan a whole weekend, and it was unbelievable. On the Friday I picked him up from Platinum Services, and we went into town, and we had a great night on Friday night. And then Saturday same thing. We all met at the hotel Saturday morning. Then went to my friend Jack's bar. I know a couple of lads that work there. Went to the Storyteller. Had a couple of beers there. Alright, here he is, he's back. After
My guy, Dr. Layton. This guy hooked us up. We've been friends for like 5-6 years, right? Yeah, Dr. Layton hooked us up 5 years ago, so the second I knew I was coming back, he was the very first guy I hit up.
this place is lit. I told you.
Alright, we might
There's a little bit of footage, but we couldn't get much footage. It was too hectic, and we were having too much fun as well. But yeah, good weekend, boys. Thanks so much for coming out that time, and yeah, hopefully see us next year. Ro, you ready for Vegas?
Ready, man.
Yeah, so obviously I'm not in Las Vegas anymore. It's too difficult to record at those kind of events. I'm there to kind of meet people and build relationships. Just to give you a little bit of a rundown, had a great trip. We were there for a couple of days. We went to like a zip lining experience, which was great crack. We went to the conference, we went to the cabanas. There was like all of the cabanas had partners there that were open to mingling, open for having introductions, and we met some really cool people that we've already kind of set up with our clients too, which is actually amazing now that I think about it. And yeah, overall it was a really good trip. I wanted to get out of there on the Friday. Vegas is not a place you want to be for honestly more than 48 hours, but yeah, the only direct flight back to Dublin was on the Saturday morning, so did that. And yeah, overall really good experience. Would definitely recommend Shop Talk America for any European agencies or brands. I think you'd get a lot of value out of it. And brands, I'm pretty sure they give out free tickets for, which is great. Yeah, so I'm just back from a shoot now. Me and Blake are just in Madigan's on O'Connell Street, just getting a bit of food, running through a couple of actually content ideas that we're going to be doing over the summer, getting some reels going, some more vlogs, all that kind of stuff, which is great. I suppose the only last thing to really talk about is Ecom Live. So Ecom Live is next week, obviously speaking at that, bringing in two of my clients, Vivacious. Sinead is going to be coming on to talk about her journey. We've got Siobhan from Mantra and Agency 23, and yeah, it's going to be a really cool conversation. The conversation is around performance versus brand, and I've kind of shaped some questions around that, but I think we'll naturally go down their journeys, what they see happening in the future, and we also have two other brands on stage too, so looking forward to it. I'm sure anybody watching this and that's in Ireland is going to be there, so always make sure to say hi. Would love to catch up with anybody, and yeah, come to my talk. I think it's at 2:10, so it's just before Grace Beverly, so I won't get the crowd taken away from me. And that's it. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of jump on and run you through. So obviously, yeah, NELK boys was crazy. Then we went to Vegas, Shop Talk, and then honestly just kind of been in the trenches the last couple of weeks, really just working really long days, getting up early. The whole team are amped up. We've onboarded like 7 really cool clients that we're really enjoying working with. Everything's going in the right direction. And yeah, just really excited for the rest of the year, I suppose, and excited for Ecom Live. Shop Talk Barcelona is coming up for anybody that's interested in that. And yeah, that's it. So appreciate you checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, please do hit the like button. I would appreciate any comments, any questions you want to ask, and the most important thing, I'm trying to get to 1,000. Please do subscribe. It means a lot, and me, Blake, Mike, Sam, Sive, everybody on the team would really appreciate it, because we're putting a lot of effort out into growing the channel this year. Alright, peace out.